She's my little nugget. Hello. That was awesome. Oh my gosh.
This is the life. Give it up for the kid. Eating good, getting lit. Living life feeling rich. Oh, this is the
everyone. It is about 10-ish o'clock. Me and my friends are going to Birmingham and we do have a game today. Kickoff is at 11:30. We're like, that's way too early. Let's not go and let's make an adventure of our own. By the way, this is like my lifesaver now. This is the Starbucks vanilla latte. And I never have to spend $1 million again because this itself was probably as much as an actual drink. So I got that one and the peppermint mocha. Ooh. But no, Marley graduated into a whole apartment. Kate's bedroom is closed because her bed does have leather on it and I don't want Marley to scratch it. She's my little nugget. What? She's so cute. Okay. No, but I'm picking them up at 11:30, so I need to start getting ready. We are at Turbo Coffee. Hello. Wow, this lighting sucks. It was cute. I'm pretty sure it is new. Yeah. $7 for coffee. But it's like a new cute little place. And I'm wearing a sweater because I thought, you know, the coffee vibe, it's just like, whatever. It's kind of hot, but it's nice. We made it! That literally felt like a 10-minute drive, not gonna lie. Well, more like 20, but
yeah, it was really fast.
Okay. 80. Hello! Who's that? Wow. Sorry. Outfit change. Amber joined us. Hi. We are at Sloss Furnace. Our first location, there's so many people, so we decided to just come back possibly. But if y'all watched the vlog from last year, Tyler and I were here, and on our way out, on the little concrete thing, it said Tyler loves Maddie. This says Tyler loves Maddie. Who spells Maddie like that? Literally no one does.
We're just walking. We should literally go back and like look to see if it's still there.
No, I think it's up here.
It's like that wall
to the
right
left,
there.
yeah.
It's literally that one.
So creepy, and like no one I mean, it's very rare to meet someone who spells Maddie M-A-D-I. But apparently they're setting up for Halloween, so there's like props. Don't really know. Well. Oh yeah. I feel like it was in this corner. I don't really remember. Interesting. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I cannot. Nope, I'm out. I'm out. How did they get back? I think we have to go that because I saw something. There's a hole over there. Oh. So who wants to come to the haunted house whenever it's open? Not me. Ew. Ew, 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 ew.
I think it was over there.
Ooh, I like no, it is. I just thought we would be able to get over there. Wait a second.
Wait.
Oh wait, that little tunnel thing, isn't it over here?
The tunnel thing's right down there.
Are we trying to get to those stairs?
We're trying to get to that room.
Is it in there?
No.
Oh.
Alright, well that's chill over there.
That way. It's outside.
I'm trying to find that room. I don't really know how this is legal for people to just roam around this place, in all honesty. Found it. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so bad. The stool's there. Wish I could sing. Look how flat my head was. Anybody want air outside wind? There's no AC in the Sloss Furnace. We're in a furnace. What do you expect?
I love it. Maddie knows the lyrics.
Because you're around. Let's do a dance party. Keep back up right here.
Oh, where is landing? Don't say it now.
Oh my god, remember that?
Has to be there.
Have you been?
It's the Maddie. I'm barely doing it.
I'm not gonna be on camera.
Ugh, it's too hot. We're getting some AC for a little bit. Why not? Oh, ew. Okay. No, no ma'am. Go through here. Ew, I feel like it's gonna move. It's gonna move. What am I doing? Think. Ew. What is that? What's with all these dead body people things? Golden hour, am I right, ladies?
Oh, wow.
Is it? It's more like white hour.
Yeah. It's more like white house.
Successful day of taking pictures. I think we gotta show them now. I am back home now. It's been a long day. It was super hot, but hey, it was fun. So you had the whole apartment to yourself today. I don't think she's a big camera person, but you're gonna have to learn because you're gonna be around cameras all the time. Can I get a kiss? Kiss? Kissies? I woke up this morning and she was licking my nose. And I was like, bro, what? I thought dogs do this. Look at her using her little scratch board. Being a good little kitty. She likes chewing the corners. I don't really know what that's about. Did you sharpen your claws? File them down a little bit? Yeah? Feel good? It's like 5:30 right now. I think I might make a little dinner from Hello Fresh. And then me and my friends are going out for my friend's birthday. Get it. What? Marley. So I decided against making the tacos because the meat is frozen, so I wouldn't be able to do that. So I went ahead and took a bath because I felt disgusting because I didn't feel like washing my hair. But I'm warming up some rice, gonna eat that, gonna finish getting ready, and then I'll be going over to Sydney's apartment. We're having like a little birthday party thing for one of my friends. It's gonna be a fun time. So this night out was a failure, in all honesty. We tried getting into Sigma Chi. It was at capacity, meaning no one could get in. It was like literally one person in, one person out. Then we tried getting into Pi Cap, same situation. And it was just a mess because like no one could get in and it was just annoying. So I was like, you know what, I'm going home. So I came home around 11:15, 11:30, and I've just been chilling with Marley and it's been a great time. Marley, it's time to go to bed. We're going to sleep, honey. And now we're gonna go to sleep. Aren't we, Marley? Yes. Tomorrow I am going to church with my little, potential little. Meow. Meow. So yeah, I'm picking her up tomorrow morning and it's gonna be a fun time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure vlog type of thing. And I'll see you guys later.